Now welcome back my dear class 11 student. This is a class of business studies and we almost completed all the chapters in your syllabus. Now today we will discuss about some of the important MCQ questions from the chapter Sources of Business Finance. Okay, now in your final exam of this class 11 there will be 20 MCQ question will become as per board guidelines. So MCQ question is very important. So today we will discuss the chapter Sources of Business Finance. What are the important MCQ questions? Now first question is, let's start. The maturity period of a commercial paper usually ranges from option A 20 to 40 days, number B, option B 60 90 days, number C 120 to 365 days, number D is 90 to 364 days. What will be the right answer? The maturity period of a commercial paper. So commercial paper, you know, this is for short term period. We issue commercial paper. What will be the maturity period? Okay, 20 to 40 days, that is 60 to 90 days, 120 to 365 days, and from 90 to, that is 90 to 364 days. What is the right answer? The most of the cases student mistakes that 90 to 365 days, but answer, what will be the right answer? 90 to 364 days. Okay, so anytime the question will become, you have to write 90 to 364 days is the maturity period of a commercial paper, usually ranges. Okay, so maximum limit, that is 364 days, not 365 days. Okay, so number D will be the right answer. Now come to the next question. Equity shareholder are called option A, owner of the equity, owner of the company. Option B, that is partners of the company. Number C, executives of the company. and option D, that is guardian of the company. What will be the right answer? Equity shareholders are, what will be the right answer? Owner of the company, partners of the company, executive of the company, guardian of the company. So in company there is no concept of partners, so that is first eliminated. That will not happen. Executive of the company which working in the company, they are called executive. By equity shareholder, actually the investor, they invest their money to the particular company, so they are not the executive. Guardian, they are not guardian. Who are the guardian of the company? Mainly the farmer. Who are the promoter? Okay, who are the promoter are the guardian. So what is left? That is owners of the company. So that number option A will be the right answer, because they are the actual owner, because they have a voting right. They actually elected the who will be manage the company, the managing directors of the company. Okay, the directors of the company, who actually the top level management, who actually manage the take all the decision behalf of the owner. And who is the owner? Who is the equity shareholder? Actually the owner of the company. So come to the next question. That is ADRs. ADRs. ADRs are issued in option A, Canada, option B, China, option C, India, option D, USA, United States of America. So what is the right answer? That is ADRs. ADRs means, the full abbreviation of ADRs is American Depository Receipt. So it is related with America. So that is actually depository receipt. Through that you can invest in the American market. So that is related with USA. Okay, that is American Depository Receipt itself, name is saying that is for the America, that is United States of America. Not Canada, not China, not India. What is the right answer? Option D, that is USA. Now debenture. Debenture represents option A, fixed capital of the company, fixed capital of the company, option B, permanent capital of the company, permanent capital of the company, option C, fluctuating capital of the company, fluctuating capital capital of the company, and number D, loan capital of the company. Loan capital of the company. Okay, so debenture represent fixed capital of the company, permanent capital of the company, fluctuating capital of the company, and loan capital of the company. What is the right option? This is not actually fixed capital because it is not fixed. After 4 years, 5 years, we have to redeem. There is a maximum period of 10 years. Within 10 years, we have to redeem the debenture. This is not fixed capital. Permanent capital, no, this is not permanent capital because you have to redeem again the same reason after 5 years or 10 years or 8 years. Permanent capital of the company is shares. They are the permanent capital of the company. Fluctuating capital also not. What is that? So that is one type of loan because debenture has carrying some interest, just like loan. So whenever you issue debenture, you have to pay interest to the debenture holder, and at the time of issue, you have mentioned whatever mentioned the maturity period, that is 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, maximum 10 years, and that you have to also redeem back, or redemption you have to make in the year of principal amount also. So loan capital of the company is the right answer in that case. Okay, now come to the next question. Now funds required for purchasing current asset is an example of option A, fixed capital requirement, REC. Number B, working capital requirement. Number C, lease financing. And number D, plowing back of profit. Plowing back of profit. Funds required for purchasing current asset is an example of purchasing current asset. Okay. So current asset comes under working capital. It is not a fixed capital requirement, so that will be eliminated. Lease financing is for the long period, that is also not suitable. Is not plowing back of profit, means your return earning or you are just invested again, that is called plowing back of profit. Here the answer will be fixed asset is related with working capital, so the answer B will be the right. So working capital requirement. Okay, If this is called fixed asset, then your answer will be fixed capital requirement. Here they want to know purchasing of current asset. So current asset related with means that is a period of 1 year. That is working capital. Okay, for your daily operation for capital you need, that is called working capital. So right answer is number B. So for today that is all. Next we will again discuss about some of the important MCQ question related with your final exam from different chapters. Thank you. This is the end of the class. In between keep practice, stay home. Thank you.